As electric vehicles surge in popularity, electric motorcycles are taking the spotlight for their thrilling performance, zero emissions, and low maintenance costs. Riders love their instant torque, quiet operation, and futuristic design. This guide reviews the best electric motorcycles available on Amazon, evaluating motor power, battery capacity, range, build quality, and overall value.
List number 1. Electric Dirt Bike 72V 5000W Pro. The Electric Dirt Bike 72V 5000W Pro is a powerhouse designed for off-road enthusiasts who crave speed and control. Its 5000W high-performance brushless motor delivers exceptional torque and acceleration, making it perfect for tackling steep trails and rough terrains. The 72V lithium battery offers impressive range and fast charging capability, allowing riders to enjoy hours of adventure with minimal downtime. Built with a reinforced steel frame and hydraulic suspension, it provides stability and shock absorption even on bumpy paths. The advanced braking system ensures safety during high-speed descents, while the LCD display gives real-time data on speed, battery level, and mode selection. This dirt bike combines rugged durability with cutting-edge technology, making it ideal for both experienced riders and thrill seekers. Whether you're exploring mountain trails or testing speed on open terrain, the 72V 5000W Pro offers power, precision, and an electrifying ride.
List number 2 is the Mototech 1000-watt 48-volt electric superbike black. The Mototech 1000-watt 48-volt electric superbike stands out as a stylish, compact electric motorcycle designed for both performance and fun. With its 1000-watt rear hub motor, this bike reaches speeds up to 25 miles per hour, ideal for city cruising or driveway fun. The 48-volt lead-acid battery provides solid runtime, giving riders a balance between power and affordability. Its sporty design mirrors that of a full-sized superbike, complete with aerodynamic bodywork and aggressive styling. The front and rear disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power, while the twist grip throttle ensures smooth acceleration. The bike's low seat height makes it comfortable and accessible for teens and adults alike. While it's not built for heavy off-roading, the Mototech 1000-watt is a fantastic entry-level electric bike for recreational riders. It's perfect for those who want a taste of the electric motorcycle experience without committing to a high-powered or expensive model.
List number 3. e-Aura 4000-watt dual-motor electric motorcycle. The e-Aura 4000-watt dual-motor electric motorcycle combines cutting-edge design with unmatched performance. Featuring dual 2000-watt motors, it delivers outstanding torque, acceleration, and climbing ability. The 60V battery supports long-distance rides with fast charging capability, making it perfect for both urban commuting and rugged adventures. This model includes multiple riding modes, regenerative braking, and smart app connectivity, allowing you to track performance and battery data right from your phone. The full suspension system and wide off-road tires ensure smooth handling across varied terrain. Riders praise its futuristic look and robust aluminum alloy frame that supports durability without excessive weight. The dual motor system offers exceptional control on inclines, while the bright LED lighting ensures safe night rides. For tech-savvy riders who want both style and strength, the e-Aura 4000-watt is one of the most advanced electric motorcycles in its class, blending eco-efficiency with adrenaline-pumping power.
List number 4. Kids Racing Grade Electric Dirt Bike. The Kids Racing Grade Electric Dirt Bike is built for young riders who dream of conquering the trails. Designed with safety and fun in mind, this electric dirt bike features a robust 36-volt motor that delivers exciting yet manageable power for children aged 8 and up. The sturdy steel frame and pneumatic knobby tires ensure stability and excellent traction on dirt or grass. Parents love its variable speed control, which allows them to adjust performance as kids gain confidence. The dual disc braking system offers reliable stopping, while the shock-absorbing suspension ensures a comfortable ride over bumps. The battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time and recharges quickly for minimal downtime. It's an excellent balance between safety, durability, and excitement,
perfect for young riders learning off-road basics. For families seeking a high-quality electric dirt bike that's both safe and exhilarating, this kid's model is a clear winner.
List number 5. TST Electric Bike for Adults 1500 Watt Peak. The TST Electric Bike for Adults 1500 Watt Peak is the ideal option for everyday commuters seeking comfort and versatility. Powered by a 1500 watt peak brushless motor, it delivers quick acceleration and a top speed of 30+ miles per hour. The 48-volt removable lithium battery offers a generous range, up to 60 miles on a single charge depending on terrain and mode. The aluminum frame keeps it lightweight yet durable, while front suspension forks absorb shocks for a smooth ride. It features multiple riding modes, eco, normal, and sport, making it adaptable for both city commuting and light trail riding. Equipped with a digital display, LED lights, and front and rear disc brakes, the TST ensures both convenience and safety. The wide tires provide superior traction for diverse road conditions. This electric bike is a perfect blend of practicality and performance, giving adults a reliable, powerful, and eco-friendly way to commute daily or enjoy weekend rides.